Hello, great minds. Here we have this challenge on the board. This is a simple challenge, and you must have seen problems or challenges of this kind. But here I want to show you a trick of solving this without much waste of time. So let's go into today's challenge. So the question is how to solve the square root of, under it we have x, then times the square root of, under it we have x times the square root of x times the square root of x equal to 5. So let's take our solution here. So solving this is very easy. Okay, so all you just need to do is to go step by step. Then let's take this x on this other side. Then come to somewhere here. Then let's put our equal to. Let's put our 5 here. Right? Good. So this is a square root radical. We have to cancel out the square root radical. And for us to do that, we have to take the square of both sides. So we put this to the power of 2. When you raise this to the power of 2, it will strike out this first radical, right? And so this first x will be exposed. Now we want to strike out this second radical, and so we raise this to power 2 again. And when we do that, we raise this x to power 2, right? Then we still have the third radical. Then we further raise this to power 2. And when we do that, what happens? We multiply this power by 2. Okay, then we come to the fourth radical. Then we equally raise this again to the power of 2. And so we multiply this by 2. Easy, right? Good. So how do we now get the powers of the rest ones? So long this is already to the power of 3, the next one will be 2 times 2. The next one will be just 2. The next one will be just 1. So this is going to give us times our x raised to 2 times 2. Then the next one will now be times our x, which is this, x raised to power 2. And the next one will just be what? X raised to power 1. See how it decreases down? Good. So from here, we can now multiply this, and bring out all these. So we have here x to the power of 4. Sorry, 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 will give us 8. So this is raised to power of 8 times 2 times 2 is 4. X to the power of 4 times x to the power of 2 times just x here. This is equal to 2 times 2 will give us our 4. Times 2 will give us 8. Times 2 will give us 16. Why are we doing this? Because according to the law, it says that if you have your a to the power of your mn, this is equal to your a to the power of n bracket your n. So we can multiply this, okay, because this is raised to this, and this is raised to this, raised to this. So we can multiply all this through. Okay, so this is going to give us our 5 to the power of 16. Right. Now, according to the law of indices again, we say that if you have your, let's take our a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to your a to the power of m plus n. Then if we also succumb to this, we can add this exponent. Here we have 1. Then we're going to have this to be x raised to the power of 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Everything equal to our 5 raised to the power of 16. So here we have 8 plus 4. That will give us 12. Plus 2 will give us 14. Plus this will give us 15. So we're going to have here our x to the power of 15 equal to 5 to the power of 16. So we want to look for our x. So we multiply the exponent by 1 all over 15. So we now call here and say this raised to 1 all over 15. Then we equally raise this to 1 all over 15. If we succumb to this rule, then we're going to have our, therefore, x now be equal to, because this will go with this, now be equal to 5 raised to power 16 all over 15. Okay. All right. So this is the value of x that will satisfy this radical equation. So this is a quick method to solving this. We still have 2 different other methods of solving this, but for this video tutorial, this is the quickest method. So if you learned something from this video, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. We'll reply to you. Thanks for watching. Bye. We'll see you in our next class. Keep winning.